Hello my darlings, I really am so happy. I'm really happy that so many of you found my how to renew your Ugg boots or your sheepskin Shearling boots video really helpful. So I thought I'd make a video about how I wash my Shearling coats. A lot of people think you can't wash Shearling. I have washed this coat a bunch of times and it's in basically brand new condition. The trick is just how to care for it after the wash and obviously what you use to wash it with. So I tend to use very gentle shampoo or soap, usually like baby soap, because it's pH balanced. It is free, like this one, it's free of phthalates, sulfates, no dyes, no parabens, whatever, and it's moisturizing, and that's good because you want to use something very gentle. You don't want to use regular detergent. Also, just keep in mind, whenever you first wash your coat, the first few days your coat's going to be so stiff. It's going to feel really stiff and dry, but that's really normal. Don't worry, that's normal. And you want to brush it out with a dog brush or a Shearling brush if you have it. And look at this jacket. I bought this jacket about 13 years ago and I've washed it let me see, I've washed it once every few years. You know, it depends on how often you use the coat and how much it needs, but really it's been a dream. And look at it, it's beautiful. I'll just try it on for you. I will show you what it looks like. But so see, it's very soft right now. It happens over time. So when you first wash your coat, it's going to be very stiff and dry. You don't need to add anything to it. Some sites will tell you can add oils and stuff to it. I don't, because eventually it picks up from the moisture in the air and you touching it and wearing it, and gets soft in like a week again once you just start wearing it, and it comes good as new. So anyway, so just so you don't freak out when you first let your coat dry after the first wash and it's so stiff and dry and you think you've ruined it, you haven't. It always goes back to normal. So anyway, okay, we are going to put this in here. Also, always wash cold, never hot. You can damage things more by washing cold. That goes for everything really. Most of your things should be washed in cold water. So we're just gonna put a few, I'd say a few pumps. For my short coat, I have placed in like 5 or 6 pumps of this. I put delicate and then cold wash, 46 minutes. Where are you going? Say hi, Nose. Hi, Nova. She's a good girl. Yes, she is. Okay, so we are going to come back to that and walk you through the steps once it's finished. Hey you guys, okay, so it's finished now. And we're gonna take it out. This is what it looks like. It's like basically a wet rag. That's what it's gonna look like. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang it on the door. I'll show you what I mean in a second. See? Because we're going to be brushing it periodically while it's drying, and then basically every few hours. We go. So while I highly suggest that you get a dog brush with the very fine metal bristles, the really scratchy abrasive ones. If you don't have it, get your boar bristle brush with boar and the mix of boar and thinner nylon bristles and brush it out. The dog brush is more important when it's closer to drying. That's usually the crucial part, but you just want to make sure that it's brushed out and brush in different directions as soon as you take it out from the wash. So it's basically going to be hang dried. And you just want to make sure that it doesn't end up drying in clumps. So by doing this, you are helping the fur to be fluffier as it's drying. And you want to go in different directions because the fur is always in different directions. Nova. And you want to do this like every few hours. You can even leave it like 6 hours, but just make sure that you've brushed it a couple of times before it's really dry. It's just preventing the shearling from drying in clumps, and it will just help it stay fluffier and separated for longer. Okay, and we will come back to it. Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been 2 days since I've washed it and it's just about dry, still kind of damp, but usually takes a couple of days for shearling to fully dry. And as you can see, I just want to show you, I've been brushing it in between periodically, and look how fluffy, how beautiful. It's going to be stiff, as I told you, it's going to be very stiff and dry the first week, but eventually the moisture gets back into it and it'll be good as new. And I just want to show you how gorgeous the shearling has been using my dog brush, and I've been brushing every 4 to 6 hours periodically whenever you get a chance. Just continue to brush it during its drying process. So my coat in particular has short pelt as well as long haired Toscana. But it is very important that you continue to brush while it's drying. So now that my coat is nearly fully dry, you can see that the Toscana shearling looks absolutely gorgeous. There's no clumping, there's no weirdness, and the only thing is it's just kind of stiff right now, and it will be very stiff and it will feel quite dry when it's fully dry. But that's fine, don't worry, it all comes back. So people unnecessarily worry. I have cleaned the shearling many times. Not much comes off. This is 2 days of brushing. You know, your shearling will shed naturally, but the brushing part, it's fine. This jacket is about almost, let me see, I got it in 2012. So it's like, oh my God, 2012. It's like 14, 15 years old. It's not crazy. So it's good to brush in all directions, and very happy with it. Remember, use a very mild type of baby soap. Make sure it's sulfate free and all that, and you're pretty good to go. So this is amazing. Right now it's inside out. So don't flip it back until it's fully dry. So you can see how beautiful and fluffy everything looks. Gorgeous. There you have it. And it's really easy. It's that easy. So very, very happy with it. Nice and clean too. Hi everyone, so it's been about 3 days and my Shearling Toscana coat is dry now. Yeah, it's dry. So as you can see, the Shearling is just perfect, and it's because I've been brushing it as it was drying, and now I can flip the sleeves back to the right side. Everything is going to feel quite dry and rough, just so you guys know it's normal and it will go away. So I'm going to flip back the sleeves back. Look how beautiful that is. Look, all fluffy, like it's supposed to be. And then we're gonna do the other side. Look how lovely that is. Clean, gorgeous jacket. This side has always had a longer fur and a longer pelt than the other one. And this is so easy to do. You guys have seen how easy it is to clean these coats. Don't let online fear mongering freak you out. So this is my washed coat. Look how beautiful. Look how gorgeous the Shearling is. It's basically good as new. Well, it's supposed to be a little shorter. I like my cuffs very thick, but basically this is it. And don't be afraid to wash your Shearling coats. Please do not be afraid. So yeah, that's it. And like I said, it's going to feel dry at first, but everything is going to come back in a week or two. Just give it time. I don't put anything special on it, just you touching it all the time and wearing it. The moisture in the air will basically replenish the hide over time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.